Welcome back. In this lecture, I want to talk about the indicators in your table view. Right now, I am in the Gantt and I see this table. As you see here, and I talked before, there is one column here which is the indicator. And the indicator, as the explanation shows, it gives different types of information about the task or resource. As you recall, I told you can press F1 in order to have, for example, help for example, one of the columns that you are here. So if I press F1, then you see the indicators here and it shows what are the different indicators and what they mean. So for example, this indicator that you see here, it shows that this task was completed. So it shows all the tasks that are completed. Or if I scroll down, you see this indicator, and if I hover my mouse, it said this task has over all allocated resources, and it says right click for more options, then you will right click. So that's basically gives you a glimpse of the project in a short view or high level. Whenever you are managing, then you are able to see, for example, what are different, for example, indicators for each task. As I told you, you can just press F1 here in order to go to the corresponding help for the software and see what are the indicators that are defined here. If I go here and then I hover my mouse and then I press F1, then it just open the indicators and shows the sign, and it shows, for example, the task is complete. If you see something like this, it means the task is inserted into the project, and so on. You can benefit from these indicators, and whenever you make changes, you may encounter some of these indicators during the project. If you want to know the meaning, you can go to the help and find it there. See you then in the next video.